Amani channel. This is Video Fearless, where we flex video muscle. I'm going to talk to you about how to get your messaging out in the most effective, heartfelt way. And a lot of people ask me, Amani, do you use a teleprompter when you record your videos? And I'll be honest with you, I don't. All right, I'm just speaking from the top of my dome, as I say. I'm just speaking from my heart. I'm speaking from a place of expertise, which is what I suggest my students do, and for the following reasons. You can use a teleprompter if that's really the only way you can get your messaging out there. The problem with using a teleprompter is that, you're reading a teleprompter, you're actually reading. And the problem with that is that when you're recording a video and you're reading, it's going to sound like you're reading, or it's more likely that it's going to sound like you're reading. And, reading voices are okay if you can add some inflection to them, if you can sound natural in a conversational tone. But a lot of times you sound a little bit more monotone. It's not as animated. It's not as lively. And the audience can tell if you're reading, that you're reading, especially if you're not a professional. If you're a news anchor and have experience reading a teleprompter, then that's a different story. But if you're just a person who's getting started with making videos, that is the problem that's associated with the teleprompter. Now you can practice and practice and practice a lot and become natural reading a teleprompter. I'm not saying that you can't, but that's just one of the challenges, is sounding like your natural self. So that's why I encourage my students, and for people and for viewers, to just speak from the heart. Now, you may be like, oh, I can't just talk off the top of my dome. But if you're able to structure your videos and you have a common or a intro that you use that is verbatim, that you learn verbatim, then you can just learn a couple, 2 or 3 talking points. You could write down a few talking points and just refer to them. If you get lost or if you get a little bit off track, it'll take you back to them. And just, if you're an expert, and I assume you're an expert, I assume you're a successful business owner who's ready to take your business to the next level, video is a great way to do it. And so just, write down 2 or 3 talking points related to whatever the subject is of your video, and just speak from your area of expertise. Because you know your stuff, you really do. If I met you in a coffee shop and asked you for some tips, you'd be able to rattle them off just like I'm rattling these tips off now. All right, so just try to do that. And it might, take a few takes, take some practice to do so, but just got to get in the habit of speaking from your area of expertise, speak from your heart. That's going to be the way you can really relate to your audience the fastest. They'll hear that passion. They'll see the genuine sincerity in your eyes, the smile in your smile. Smile in your smile. Yeah, I'm being silly. But that's just the way you can share valuable content that's the most relatable, that's the most energized and passionate with your audience, is by speaking from the heart. Now, if you'd like some help doing so, please reach out to me. I have some more information that you'll find very valuable. Just click the link either in the description of the bio or somewhere around here. There's a link somewhere you can click. All right, do so, and we'll get you on the fast track to becoming video fearless. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments, and I promise I'll make a video about it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.